What's up my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a big announcement to make, or maybe I should say I have a mini announcement to make, but believe me, it is a pretty big deal. Because this little guy right here is the brand new Klaris Mini, and it's literally Klaris's answer to your feedback. It's smaller, faster, and most importantly, more affordable, and I'm super excited to present it to you guys. So if you are ready, let's go make some clear ice. Let's go. Alright, so I've been partnering with Klaris since they launched their original machine, and if you followed my content, you know how I feel about it and how I think it's a game-changing method when it comes to clear ice at home. A lot of you felt the same way, but also a lot of you had some requests. Some of you wanted something faster, some of you wanted something smaller, and a lot of you wanted something more affordable. Well, with the Klaris Mini, they made it happen. All of the above, smaller, faster, and more affordable. So the Mini is lighter, more compact, and easier to fit on your counter, but it still delivers the iconic 2x2 inch clear cubes we all love. And despite its smaller size, this thing is pretty fast. I mean, each cycle produces 2 cubes because it's smaller, but you can run up to 3 cycles a day for a total of 6 clear cubes daily and 42 per week if you leave it running constantly, which should be plenty enough for your own needs, even if you throw a cocktail party or two during the week. And all that, like I said, at a much cheaper price tag. So the Mini uses the exact same technology as its flagship big brother, which is reverse directional freezing. There's the little propeller that makes sure the water is always in movement, so there's never any bubbles in your cubes. So literally it's the same machine, but smaller and now a little bit faster. And they also improved and simplified the system a little bit. So to make the clear ice, all you have to do is to place your insert in your tray, fill it up with tap water all the way up to the fill line, place it back in the machine, close the lid, and press the unique button. In front of the machine, you have a progress bar, which is a light flickering showing you at what stage your ice is. And once it's fully frozen, the blue light turns into a green light, which means your ice is now holding for you to unmold it. The hold feature is actually now improved and it can hold on your ice for up to 24 hours now. There's also a delayed start option that you can now trigger, which was also one of your requests. So all you have to do is when you start your ice, instead of just tapping on the start button, you hold it for a couple of seconds. The light will turn blue, but the progress line will not flicker. That means the machine will wait for 4 hours before starting its freezing process. Either ways, whether you delayed your start or you hold on your ice for up to 24 hours. Once you're ready to unmold your ice, all you have to do is to open the lid, remove the tray, drop the excess water, flip your mold upside down and wait for 1 minute or two to ease the unmolding process, and then simply press on the mold to release the cubes, remove the inserts, and there have it. This is how you make your iconic 2x2 inches Klaris Clear Cubes with the Mini machine. So to recap briefly, it's the exact same technology, it's the exact same size of cubes, but it makes 2 cubes per cycle instead of 4. But you can run 1 more cycle daily for a total of 6 cubes daily instead of 8 with the flagship Klaris machine, but at a much cheaper price tag. So I think it is a pretty big win. And if you tap that with a 10% discount I can offer you with my promo code, I think it becomes pretty much a no-brainer if you want to bring professional quality clear ice at home with a Klaris machine. So all the information is going to be in the description below. This is it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you Klaris for sponsoring this episode, and see you very soon. Bye.